Hi, Mark here, trust you're well. For well over a decade now, I've been helping other photographers understand the ecosystem of Lightroom Classic, Lightroom, Photoshop, sprinkled with other post-processing apps as a photographer. So what's coming up in our live sessions over the next week or so? Well, Monday the 29th of June, it's our skills and support session with a slight twist. Up to 2 hours of your challenges. Get your questions ready, please. What do you need help with? It's a free-for-all Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, sprinkled with a bit of Photoshop and other processing apps. So then on Tuesday the 30th of June, it's our classic skills session, about half an hour. We're going to be looking at facial recognition, how keywording is different with facial recognition, how we can organize and tag our faces. Wednesday the 1st of July is our editing session, half an hour as a photographer editing, and we look at different editing skills across different platforms. Well, this week we're going to be looking at Photoshop and the understanding of layers, what layers are, the different types of layers and how we can use them. Then Thursday, the 2nd of July, Thursdays is our Lightroom sessions. And we're going to look at what's new in Lightroom Desktop 9.4. I hope you'd like to come and join any of our sessions. I look forward to welcoming you one day. If you would like to, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Got a question, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy editing.